Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Look at this vehicle. This is a Mercedes. Vehicle are bossy. Oh my days. Wow. This is a Mercedes, guys. Just imagine that. This is a Mercedes Benz.
Open, it's open.
Well. Happy New Year's, guys. Blessed love. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Why? Well, I hope you're having a blast already for this new year, you know. I hope you're having this wonderful time in the first 1-2 days of the year, you know. I hope you're having a wonderful time. So guys, you know, today, trust me, as you can see, the journey to Times Square, you know, where the big ball drop is, you know, that's where I'm heading to. Where the big ball drop is, guys. So everyone said Kino is gonna be hectic, but trust me, I'm gonna make it, you know. You know it goes already. We love to take on the journey, so this journey, I'm gonna take this journey on today, you know. Definitely. So, you know, I got a friend of mine as well too, you know, who's also a friend of Esther's, you know, who is over here. So we're gonna go on the road to take on that journey to Times Square to see the big ball drop. You hear me say? The big ball drop. But trust me, I can't get enough of this vehicle, you know. I just can't get enough of this vehicle. Trust me, look, pulling out. Imagine doing a vehicle like that. See that the big Mercedes Benz. Yo. That's vehicle for the year. See the man here. See the man himself, boy, Z.
Yeah, the one thing then work something different, you see?
Yeah. Esther is the one boy is in the building. Yo, boys have been eating off all the burgers over here, man. One ton giant. One ton giant. So yes, guys, I'm saying we're gonna take on the road tonight. You know, make sure we're well pad up, well ready. Take on the journey. You understand?
Why you? No idea, you know.
Yes, guys, so I'm ready for that. So stay tuned. I'm gonna take you on that.
And the money you can pay for the car. Insurance, dog. Insurance give a third party. What is the third party? Coverage where you have to listen now. Are you just
the station.
So guys, I can just imagine what over there is going to be like.
Manhattan bound, local 2, train 2.
It's a journey, you know, a different thing. Big up Esther, no man.
Pick up Esther, no one is very
Esther, the man who overgrow past Mr. That's what they say about foreign food, you know?
That's something different.
Yeah. Esther say, man, she go like, why is it that? And Esther watch and shot, then laugh. And she say, yo, boy, is it? Yeah, man, this is what foreign food do. Stretch you. Yeah. This is what happened, guys. I'm telling you, your boy, the man just blew up. As you can see, me and the man sitting down, we literally on the same height. You know, and he wasn't like that. You know, we didn't start foreign food. Pure fertilizer. Yes, guys, so we're on the train heading to where coming up? 42nd Street. That's Times Square, right? Yeah. So I'm telling you, it's not going to be easy, but we're going to make it look easy. You know, because the crowd is going to be hectic.
It's gonna be fantastic.
Yeah, but it's going to be fantastic. You know, but we're going to make it. Trust me, you know, we Jamaica, when we go anywhere, we say the crowd thick. And we walk through the crowd and say, hot water, excuse. That's how we're going to part of the crowd. See how close we can really get, because trust me, I saw some early footage. So many people are there from that time, so just imagine now. So, long been at the trail, fear drive. Welcome back to the trail life.
No, but not if you can't get it, they're not
No, it's not gonna fall. Not this time.
not if you can, not if you can alone. Every day.
Every day. Never sleep.
Some people that every day big morning, people put it at full.
Stand clear of the closing doors,
They
please.
always full.
Right through the place full. Sitting there. Can't exit here. Yeah.
You gotta go to the last exit and go up. Take this platform straight back, go up the stairs and go outside. All the way to the end.
All the way to the end. Got them block up there, so all the way to the end. Right, so that's why they do that. They go out all the way, all the way down, and then go up. Sure. The mad journey starts. So we cannot come out at the exit that take us closer. Them send us way down on the platform. So that means we have to go all the way around and come back. You know, so the drama. You know the drama start already.
Keep to the right and use handbrakes while using stairs and escalators.
40th Street.
Ponchos, raincoats.
Rain.
Ponchos.
What's for that? So? What's for that? How about eso?
¿Qué es lo que es?
Eh?
¿Cuál es?
How much you have, so? Which way? This way? They're not gonna make it easy, you know, they're gonna make it difficult. Trust me. They're gonna make it difficult. Trust me, it's raining as well. And it's also raining, you know. But it's good, at least it's raining, so the place is not that cold. So this jacket never really needed. Eh? Yeah. No, ya puedo actually, yes. I say straight with us continue and go straight.
You gotta turn around so.
Eh? Yeah, I see that. Yeah. Oh. No, come sit that. Oh, watch the metal there, you know. Oh, you got some rolls, huh? Hey, boss, where's the balloon drop? Where is it happening?
Oh, you gotta go all the way to 59th Street, walk across to 6th Ave, and then walk down.
59th Street?
Yep. Unless you have
Okay.
unless you have a ticket or something, documentation that you can show that we can let you cross.
What type of documentation?
You gotta have a ticket or something.
Oh, ticket.
Yeah, if you got no ticket, 59th Street, go across to 6th Ave, and then walk down.
Oh, so we have to go up and come back down.
Ticket like oh.
You would have had to have it already.
Oh, okay. So you have to go up to 59 and come back down. If you have a ticket, you could have go through there. Which priority? Yeah. Oh. Guys, it's raining. Raining like hell. God damn. Wet. Look at that. You hear the thunder.
And we are here to our part,
Eh?
you get a shortcut.
Yeah. You get the shortcut. Yeah, so yeah, we got a shortcut. You know, so huh? Tickets? You have any tickets? You have?
And the whole of Jamaica is it.
Yeah.
And we are on the place over there, VIP.
We have VIP.
That never lie.
Yeah, we have VIP.
No one see no and the program.
Yes.
So I say thanks to the donors for the program and big up for yourself. Enough
good.
respect from New York City is it.
Yeah, yeah. Guys, we're here at the VIP. VIP. But you know, say, but not literally, I'm going to go, you know, because we're in the right places. You see me? You notice? We're in the right spots. Eh? For 5 or 7, come, we'll keep it moving. Huh? What you say?
I'll go to your next now.
Yeah, so I get stuck. Like other way there, you know, so the best will go this way. If we go this way, I get stuck. So we'll go down more. What you say? What you say a while ago? We're outside. Guys, we are so lucky. We like literally our VIP spot, you know. So we like a press right now, but without the badge. You understand? Press without the badge. So big up to the shorty officer. that gave us that gateway through. Happy New Year, bro. Sure.
Happy New Year too.
Yeah. He said keep it moving, keep it moving. But I keep it moving till we find somewhere we can stock. So where the trap is going to be?
Up there, sir.
Up where? Right here? No. Like that. I like that. Where is it? I'm supposed to right here, so. Right here, the trap is. No, because everybody are face that way. I want to ask officer, ask him. Excuse me, bro. Where's the ball is going to drop from?
Right there.
Wait, that right there?
Yep.
Oh, it's right there. Happy New Year, bro. Come right here with it. We are the VIP spot. Yeah, we don't always so lucky. Well, we are so lucky to reach where we are. We are so lucky. We are literally like right here. Right here where the ball is going to drop.
Known for some incredible projects, but I hear you got something really special coming up for 2025. Can you tell us about the reimagined One Times Square, which is the building that the Bulls on?
Yes, absolutely. So the building at the end of the road tide, One Times Square, has been an empty vessel for 75 years. And in 2025, in the fall, it will...
The time is now. The time is now. Look. Look. The time is now. Well, good morning, guys. Blessed love. Welcome to Kina Life in America, not Jamaica, in the USA, you know, so, yeah, so, you know, this is the journey, you know, they're still celebrating Christmas, so I'm on my way to Fort Lauderdale. This guys, so I just checked in, you know, and everything, so it's just about to get on the flight, so I got quite a lot of time left, so you know it goes already. When you have time to spare, if you just go and knock around. So yes guys, remember tomorrow, you're watching this video now, so it's tomorrow is the meet and greet, you know, at sunrise, you know, at R&D Sports Pub. at R&D Sports Pub in Sunset Strip. So keep you posted more on the information. First, and then now, you know, after Fort Lauderdale, you know, after I leave Fort, I'm gonna head to New Jersey, you know, so that's where I'm gonna meet up with Kev Lifestyle, you know, as well too. So I've got Jersey is the next trip from here. So yes, guys, I'm on that journey. I am on that journey. So I'm on the journey right now to get something to eat in this early morning. So let's see what they have right here. It's vegetarian. I had it here already. So let's see. Alright guys, so I had a green smoothie, you know, I sit down now, so I have a green smoothie. So as what I was saying about the meet and greet in Florida, Fort Lauderdale, that's tomorrow, you know, so you see this video, you know, today is Saturday, so you see this video, so the meet and greet is tomorrow, Sunday, right, and it's going to be at the R&D's Sports Pub, you know, and that's in Sunset Strip, you know, Fort Lauderdale, so it's 6531 Sunset Strip, Sunrise, Fort Lauderdale, so that's where it's going to be. So guys, remember, we're starting it from 2 till 5. So looking forward to see you guys, you know, nothing but love and positivity. So thank you guys, I'm wishing you all the best for this wonderful new year, and I hope you're having a pleasant one also. So remember, so 6531 Sunset Strip, Sunrise, Fort Lauderdale. So I'm just waiting to go on board, you know, I had some smoothie right now, so it's alright, and I had fruit. So that's good for my morning, you know, so it's early now in the morning on the way to Fort Lauderdale. So a very busy packed morning here in the airport, you know, very, very busy. Trust me, but things move smoothly, you know, busy but move smoothly. So I'm just waiting to go on board and see if we can get like an hour sleep on that plane. You know, at least 1 hour sleep is good enough for me. 1 hour is good. You know, and then the rest I can go and sit up and watch something. Yes guys, so I'm ready. Sunrise team, the dream team, we here again one more time. So let's look guys, so stay tuned on this journey. Alright guys, so I boarded. So boarded right now. Everyone's coming on, so it's a packed flight, so I'm on the way. So this is where we're heading. Sweet. So outside, sunny. Sunny but cool, you know. So guys, you know, I'm going to take you on my journey, take you when I'm boarding, take you when I'm sitting, and take you when I'm gonna take off. You know, I want you to feel like you're sitting next to me, how you're literally on the plane, you know. So I like doing that. So this is a packed flight going in, you know, so, but no one is next to me yet. If I'm here, I'm gonna get that seat and I'll spread out like me in a first class. Yes guys, so guys, if you reach this far, you know, remember to put the thumbs up, and I thank you so much for watching. So I'm gonna sit and relax and wait for the takeoff while everyone else is boarding.
Traffic welcomes you to Fort Lauderdale. The local time is 1:32 p.m. For your safety, please keep buckled up and keep carrying on items put away until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight.
Alright guys, so everything off the flight. Making my way out to the exit right now. So, trust me, it was a bumpy ride. A lot of turbulence as well. A lot of turbulence coming in. So much. It was like half of the flight turbulence and half smooth. You know, so boy, I need to fix that pothole up in the air. They need to fix those potholes. I am not even lying. It was getting so hectic one at a time, I'm telling you. Rough. So I am back here in Fort Lauderdale. I am back. Yes, I'm outside with the weather. It's sunny Florida. So I just left out the cold winter and now I'm back in the sunny Florida. So it's like I'm here in Jamaica right now. Yeah. So I'm here for a couple of days, guys, and then I'm going to head up to New Jersey as well too. So I'm going to be in New Jersey for the 11th, for 11th and the 12th. Yes guys, so I'll be in New Jersey. I don't know if you know about where Deptford is, like anyone down in New Jersey. I'm coming to Jersey on the 11th as well too. So look forward for that. So guys, remember tomorrow, we here meet and greet tomorrow. So don't forget that one at the R&D Sports Pub here. So come on down. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Them say what's in the dark must come in the light. I am here. Right, there's a peekaboo. We have Pat over here. We have no other than Mommy Charmaine over there.
Welcome back, Akino. Welcome, it's good for you to be in town.
Of course. I'm so happy to be back. Guys, there's so much laughter right now going on, boy. This one bigger than us. You know?
Yep.
It is so big, but it's so good to be back, you know. That energy been missing, you know. So I guess I came back here for part 2, Christmas Fever. Because I wasn't here for the Christmas, boy. I'm telling you, it started already. This Pat, driver, don't stop at Alright, now I'm missing this really serious joke, you know. But we gotta make it work. Oh gosh. This one is serious. Yeah, man, whenever you're around the Sunrise team, it's a vibe. Right, mommy?
Oh, sure. Oh, yes. Yes, we're full of sunrise.
Yeah.
Full of laughter.
No, we're full of surprise.
Surprises.
For sure, sunrise is full of surprise.
Yes.
Boy,
Happy New Year to all your subscribers.
Yes.
2025 is going to be greater. Yes.
Just, what you say, Pat, the same?
Same.
The same.
Happy New Year. All the best.
All the best. So guys, so imagine, remember tomorrow, you know, when you see this video, tomorrow is the meet and greet. And, you know, we at R&D Sports Pub. So, you know, you have to come on down to see Miss Charmin with that high energy, you know, and Pat with the quiet but deadly, you know, the thing goes already. Pat, you don't look at the camera yet, let me see how now, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, serious thing I go on stage now, you know the thing go. You know, them say anyway the stone thing and that's how the team go. Yeah man, so it's good to be back, you know. I'm telling you, the journey, half was smooth and half was rough. Wow. You know, the turbulence. Boy, they need to fix that pothole up in the sky. Guys, there's so many potholes up in the sky, the boy them beat Jamaica. You know? Jamaica, don't worry yourself, you know, there's a lot of potholes in the sky. I'm telling you, be a boogie yaga coming in, I'm telling you. Now for one day, if you are driving on Kingston Road, you have amount of pothole up in the sky there. Yes, guys, the turbulence was really rough. It was really rough, you know, but I'm here, man, so we give God the glory, you know, give thanks that we're here. We have a safe flight, and I thank the pilot so much. Even when the plane land, me your dog a bark. I never know dog was on the flight when the plane land. I couldn't believe when everyone started to clap, they hear roof. I'm like, what God? We never see a dog that walk past me.
A service dog.
Yeah, a service dog? Oh.
Yeah.
I mean, I wonder what go on, all the dog a clap too, because the dog can't believe him reach safe. And turbulence is something else, you know, if you have it with a positive faith when you're up there and you feel that, you know. Because the plane depend and the vibration, it was literally like 45 minutes of it straight.
Wow.
45 minutes. Because when the pilot said, listen, we're going to have like 35 minutes to 40 straight of turbulence. We're like, 35 minutes to 40 of this?
Wow.
You know? And I'm telling you, it was non-stop. Literally, at a drop altitude, you know, we get a little smooth coming in. It was still the same. You know, so.
I wonder why, because I didn't know we weren't getting any rain down here.
I don't even know, boy, but it was hectic.
Yeah.
It was really hectic. You know what? All the fear, man, you know, the thing all is well. So, yes, so we're back.
And you're leaving New York to sunny sunrise.
Yes, the sunny sunrise, boy.
Yeah.
Leaving the winter and back in the summer. In sunrise, where the sun never dies. So now always rise. Trust me, it's really cold down there, you know.
My God, I saw that.
Yeah, it's like I'm missing the cold already. I love cold. I want them born way in New Zealand.
British.
Yeah, I'm half British, right?
Yes.
Yes, half British.
Those years in England.
Yes. They must get so used to it. I just always love it, boy. I love it. So yes, guys, so you know thing. So stay tuned now. Watch what go on. We're there and the team is here.
Does it right?
Alright guys, so we stopped off at Dana's to get some food. No, it's not Auntie Dana. No, it's Dana's. No, it's not Miss Dana. It's Dana's. Dana here in Fort Lauderdale. So them say Dana's is the best? One of the best. This little sun was well needed, you know. This little weather was well needed. It was needed because trust me, even though down here it's not hot, it's cool. Down here it's cool. Yeah, it's nice.
Beautiful.
It's nice.
Oh,
Come through, Pat. Miss Charmaine in the building and pot in the building, you know the thing goes, the thing goes, and party in the building. The Buja Bantan niece. Driver.
Hello, ladies.
How are you, ma'am? Just a moment.
Okay.
Abia.
Do you want anything, sir?
Up here, ballad, Mr. Ballad food.
Because we ate. So,
We ate.
matter of fact, we were going to buy something quickly.
Them have a ballad food, them have. They only have the ballad food.
Yeah, but they must have something for
Rasta picnic.
Next person.
Hello, you have anything for Rasta picnic?
Got some steamed veg.
That's all.
Yes, Rasta.
no fish.
Yeah, we have fish too.
Oh. Eat that.
But you have Rasta eat fish too, you know.
Everything else you got like fish.
Oh no, we have the pescatarian one. Oh, what kind of fish you have over there?
Snapper. Snapper and kingfish.
Come on, kingfish.
Take my picture.
Yeah, okay, very nice. Alright, so you don't know salmon now?
No, salmon.
Let me try the kingfish.
Small kingfish.
Okay, big or small? Which one is small?
Those in your sauce.
Yeah.
Want some steamed veg and rice?
Yes, please. And I restaurant, but them use basmati rice.
Oh,
And basmati rice.
Is that big enough, you know?
Oh, that looks small still.
Yeah.
Yeah, you mean
Take
that's
the large
one.
one. No, we don't do large. You don't do large? Okay.
Medium, yeah.
Oh.
I know that the medium there. I see.
Portion.
Oh, the portion. You could have tricked me.
No, I'm not cheaper than that. Portion.
So why didn't I use basmati rice, cooked rice and peas?
And that's healthy.
Want extra rich or brown stew?
Brown stew, please. Brown stew.
What did everything?
I go check over there.
Some veg and rice?
Yes, please. That place next door. I said look for the computer and phone. I said we get our next memory card. Yeah, that's it. What's this here? You get some of this, please. Yeah.
Well, drink at work. It's good?
Yeah.
Anything for you, ma'am?
No.
I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah, it's visited. So I told him to come to the Donald.
Come feature Dana, you know?
Yeah, he's just flying. So nice to meet you.
Are you a Dana?
No.
Oh, you're a Dana cousin? You're a Dana friend?
No, I'm just a worker.
You're a Dana worker?
Medium kingfish. That's $14.97.
So I'm going to see what Dana food is like, you know? First me touching down.
Donald is one of the best we have.
Yeah. Alright, so you know, moment of truth. Alright, thank you. So see what Dana going with.
Yeah, well, Donald is supposed to be.
Kingfish.
Kingfish.
You know, I tried the kingfish while I was in Trinidad. It never tastes bad. Let's try again. Cha. Mommy is back. Oh no, man, we're back.
Of course, we had to take him out of the cold and give him some sunshine.
Get the sun.
Yes.
Right now I'm getting the sun, you know, guys.
Yes.
So, you know, I still have to come down, same way.
Of
Even if man
course.
was if you show in the winter, I'm coming same
Of
way.
course, yes.
Can't come in the US and don't see Miss Charmaine.
Nope.
Oh, it's over here?
Yes.
Alright, they'll check where I'm going.
Yes.
Computers and phones. Computers and phones. computers and co. Barber shops get enough. Yeah. So guys, I want to get myself a memory card. There we go. Alright, so we at home.
Yes.
We at home, guys. We at home.
Welcome back, Kino.
Home.
Yes, yes.
Biggest mansion in the world.
Yes.
The Sunrise Villa.
Yes.
You know, we're here with
Let's take you down to the new landscaping for the Christmas.
Well, you got new landscaping?
Oh, yes. We're going to show it to you.
What? New landscaping. Why, guys, it feels so good to be back.
The weather is beautiful.
Very nice.
Yes.
Very nice. I'm not even lying. See the Sunrise Elton Rehab Center. That's where I am at. Oh, they fixed it. Finally. Very good.
Yes, we did some new landscaping for the holidays,
Yeah.
for the Christmas. So as you can see, it's beautiful.
Of course.
Weather.
Yeah, the weather feels nice. You know, it's not hot.
No.
It's,
Yes, and the breeze.
yeah, it's not hot and the breeze is nice. You know. So you see, you still can't wear a jumper because the breeze is blowing cool. You know.
Hi, ladies.
Hello. So the breeze is blowing so cool and nice. You know, like yeah. I wish I saw Jamaica stay right through the year.
This is the
Right
weather.
through the year.
Yes.
Trust me. Cool and nice. You can right through the year you can wear something like this. You know. Nice. Yeah. They want to say I was looking for the big Mercedes. I'm like, no, where it is? While I was Papa was here.
Yeah. This is the guy that needs
Punctured.
this is the one that needs to go.
Oh.
Yeah, how do you get food?
Oh, eat.
You see?
Yeah. Wow, nice. Nice.
And if you look over there too, you did over there. The flowers hanging.
Yeah, nice. I can imagine here in the night when the slide turn on, right?
Yes, it's still on. We'll definitely let you.
Wow, new landscape. I'm back home. I'm back home.
Okay, I will.
Oh, hi. How are you?
Administrator
Yes,
of the building.
Hello. Come through. Hello. Kina.
Happy New Year to you.
Same to you, man. Same
Happy to
you.
see you.
I'm happy to see you too.
And how was your New Year?
Well, not so bad. It was good.
Good.
Start off well.
Thank God.
How was
for that.
yours?
Oh, wonderful. I can't complain it. I can't complain.
Well, what about Angie? Kina.
That's my keto.
Yes. I'm here again. You know, wow, that is beautiful.
Yeah.
It is a pleasure to always
Is that your home? Is that where you live in?
I wish you come to my home.
Well, dreams are valid,
I have
right?
to put my dream down.
Dreams are valid.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you again, yeah?
Oh, likewise. Always, my dear.
Alright, then take care. Alright. Some fun. Still celebrating Christmas.
Yes, this is, yes. We had the different, maybe this is only one up, but when you're finished, we'll take you.
Yeah.
I know, I saw you. And look who I brought. I found him.
Hi, how are you?
Hello.
Welcome back.
You're right.
Happy New
I'm
Year.
back.
Happy
Same
New
to
Year.
you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. How was your New Year so far?
Good so far. Can't complain. Thank God.
Good. Nice. Alright,
take care.
Hello.
Okay. Hi. Happy New Year.
So many things. You coming?
I'm coming. I am here.
Happy New Year.
Oh, same to you. Say hello.
Hi.
What's going on? Yeah. Hey, what's going on, bro? You good? Yeah, man. Good, man. Good to see you.
how's it going?
What's going on?
I watched you guys.
Oh, yeah. Always
Say hi to the Kina.
How you
Yes, of
doing?
course.
Hello. You-
Good to see you.
Happy New Year, man.
Good. Are you back?
Hello.
Happy New Year.
Oh.
You met him, right? Yeah, you were here.
Of course.
But she was busy. I don't think
No,
she
she
had
wasn't.
chance to meet him. No.
Oh,
she
yeah.
didn't.
Jalen is one of the concierge.
Yes.
Oh.
We're a team.
Team.
Yeah, that's a team right there.
Okay, so finally we just meet.
How are you?
Nice meeting you too. She subscribed?
Yes, I
Of course you did.
Okay.
Hi, Mama.
Hello.
How are you?
Introduce yourself to Kina Paulette.
Hello, Paulette.
In Jamaica.
This is Kina.
It's you.
Yeah, me. Ah, man, are you?
Yeah, man, I see you all the while.
See me all the while.
You know me on YouTube, but you
Yeah,
know
YouTuber too.
Nice to meet you.
Hello.
You never know.
But I know you're a YouTuber.
Me want grow my channel. How am I do it?
Not now though.
She don't want me to
Subscribe to him first.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm gonna make you great. Where your YouTube name?
Hello.
Sassy PTV.
Susy TV.
And you go subscribe to me.
Of
I'm
course.
gonna subscribe to you.
Of course, Susy TV. Yeah.
100 and something subscribers.
Alright then, so that, it's a start. It's a start.
Look at your biggest subscriber.
Hello.
You see?
Hello. I am back again.
Okay, welcome.
Yeah.
You know what, one party?
Wagwan charge it. Wagwan charge it. A lie, man. I'm shoes.
Clear. Auntie Shami, where my camera go?
I'm shoes.
Here no come.
I'm shoes,
Hi,
man.
Kino. Welcome back.
Back again. I'm back home, so guys
Back
know
home. How long you here for?
forever.
He's gonna be here forever.
Forever and ever.
Forever and ever.
He was in New York and we brought him
Brought him
And
back.
I know that's right. You see how much sunrise love you, Kino?
Oh, yeah. The sun just pulled me down.
We got jealous of the New Yorkers with him. We said, no, come
We
on.
had to get it
Yeah,
back.
let's get it back, right?
I know.
Very good,
You're a good man.
Happy New Year.
Same to you. Take care.
Alright.
All right.
I love that. You know,
So
to
guys,
take
I'm gonna
care
have
of
some
yourself.
food.
Yes, thank
Because
you.
no one gonna spoil
And
you
I'm-
if you don't
Yeah.
spoil
I will
yourself.
have some
That's
food
so
first
true.
before I start to
Yes.
move around a bit.
Yes.
You know.
Come, Kina, come and eat first.
Yes, kind of mommy, I'll make sure so me eat
Yes.
first
Let me get.
for anything.
Yes.
What in here is like New York.
Oh, yeah.
New York.
Yep.
In here is where the New York weather is.
Yep. You come and sit and eat Kina first.
Okay, you know, mommy, I always make sure say yo, Kino, you eat. You know, make sure. Water, please. This guy, so I'm gonna enjoy this food and I'll eat you guys right back. You started what?
K.
Started K. No. I know me, man.
Are you?
You sure of me?
Yes. Watch you for you.
So if you watch me, you know my name. You know my name when you watch me? Big Sunrise.
Kimo.
Kim, you know watch me, man.
Me watch you. No, seriously, me watch you, man. Me watch you.
I can't remember your name.
I can't remember the. Alright, let's say that. Let's
Din,
put
din,
it.
din.
I
Come
can't
on.
remember your name.
If you remember, me give you $1,000.
Let's say that. Damn.
Damn, so you have,
Me know
you, have
say start with
you have 10 seconds if you can't.
Alright, remember your name. It start with a K.
Yeah, but you have to remember it.
K.
Say if you,
Kimo.
eh?
Kimo.
Mo? Kimo? No.
K. I can't pronounce it, but it start with a K.
Yes, I
And
would
it-
okay.
Yeah, me know
Yeah.
say start with a K though. Maybe
So
me.
you have 2 seconds left, so you can lose $1,000.
That's alright.
You can lose $1,000.
That's alright.
It's Kino.
Kino.
See, Kino.
Kino.
Yeah.
Alright. At least I almost get it though.
Yeah, Kimo.
Alright, I almost get it.
Almost. You good though?
Yeah, man.
Nice meeting you again.
Alright.
Big up yourself. We have tea?
Yeah, man, tea and coffee.
Oh. Nah, bush tea. If you have bush tea. But it's serious today. No, serious.
We don't do them so.
Yeah.
We do it back in our yard or so, you know?
Yeah.
I just coffee and then tea back. So yeah, do.
There, man, not long just reach. I'm doing a meet and greet. At the Sunrise R&D. You know R&D pub?
Me hear about, right by Menna, so?
Yeah.
Me
Sunrise
about,
Street,
yeah,
right?
me hear about it still.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can come around there from 2 till 5.
Me go try still.
Don't try, just come.
No, man, me go try. You know, a younger baby.
Okay.
So, me go try still. Me can't give no 100%.
But looking
Me go
forward.
try. If me can't make it, then at least me get this.
Alright then, big up.
Big friend.
You see me already, what go on? You see me already, man. Cool.
Okay. Tonight, 11 to 7, gonna do I think 6 or 7, and the rest is 7. Thank you, Rose. Mister, how are you? Oh my God!
I never knew it was me, you know.
No! Oh my God! When did you get back?
Today, just
Today?
now.
Wow!
Yeah.
Welcome back.
I'm back, man.
Oh my God.
I'm back.
I didn't know. I was like, who's that tall guy?
Cause you're looking like, wait, who's this guy?
Oh my goodness!
I'm back again, guys.
You're back again?
Yes.
She didn't even say anything.
I know. Oh, that's surprise
Be
again.
careful. Oh my God! You're
No,
too tall.
no,
You are too tall.
I'm not gonna hit that
Oh
man.
my
Oh
God.
gosh, I'm not that bad.
Oh my God! You're too tall.
I know. So,
Hi everybody, Kino is back. This is Sandra the back.
hello.
Help me out and you didn't.
I'm gonna help you out. Don't worry
So help me out.
about that thing. I'm gonna help you out. It's gonna be alright. Oh. I heard it.
Miss Gladys, come here.
Hello, Miss Gladys.
Gladys, remove your mask. We have to see your face.
Yes, come on, Miss Gladys Knight. How you doing? Yeah,
Stop.
come on, you're live and direct, Miss. Put her on the video. Come, Miss Gladys, come. Hello, Miss Gladys.
Yay!
Don't worry, you alright? Happy New Year, okay? Happy New Year. So the first I'm seeing Miss Gladys as well.
I know.
Kino. Did you subscribe too?
Did you?
Oh,
Where have you been?
she just came.
Live in Jamaica. She's been here.
She been here?
Yes.
Oh, she been far in the block
Let me
then.
show me here to see you.
I guess you're way over the block, right?
I am.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice to be back,
So how's
man.
everybody?
Everyone is good.
How's my Leila doing?
She's good, yeah. She is good. Friday until Friday. I know where Miss Truman is, but I
You
didn't.
don't know where she you check her office?
Hello, Patty.
I was just about to call you.
Yeah?
I just called up by the barber shop, so they told me
Come?
not to come.
Oh, not to come, yes, Patty. They said not to come. I thought I was gonna go to get my hair cut.
So yeah, I'm gonna drop you up there.
They said not to come?
No. I'm sorry. To come.
Oh, I thought you said not to come.
No, I was messing with her.
Hello. Oh, she's here. Hello.
Finishing up our meeting.
Okay, what's the meeting?
Yeah, no, that's okay.
Happy New Year,
How
brother.
was your dinner? Lunch?
It was good.
Dinner good? How you
It's
doing?
good. I'm good, man.
Nice
I'm
to
good.
see you.
Yeah, man. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. Yes.
She was surprised when she see
Of
me.
course,
She's
you
like,
can't say the secret because we're like, when he comes, this is a 2025 gift.
yeah.
But we got very jealous. He was up in New York and everybody's all over him. And I'm like, no,
We got to bring him back.
He needs to come back to us. This is family here.
Yeah, you got to bring him
Yeah.
back.
You were here
first, not there.
You know?
Yes.
And it's so cold up there.
I know.
It is.
It's like I'm in Iceland. So I guess
Patty's
Pastor,
going to take you to
up there.
barber shop?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
To get a cut and come back.
Yes, okay.
Look
No
sharp.
problem. You got to make sure you maintain that cut, right?
Yeah,
That
try, you know?
Yeah.
Try to maintain something.
That is trademark. That's his trademark.
Yeah.
Yes.
Try to maintain.
How are you?
I'm good, man. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Okay, how was
Welcome again to Sunrise.
Yes, I'm back with the sunshine.
Okay,
Right?
nice, right?
So box of gloves for me?
That you can have it if you want. Okay, I'm coming.
Anaka.
Ven acá.
Anaka. What's Anaka? Water? Okay. Where's Pat? Which direction Pat went? I'm gonna head down to that barber shop. Remember when I was here and I went to that barber shop to get my haircut? Cause I said, Kino, are you here? So you should go get your haircut. So I'm gonna make sure I get that haircut down there as well. Yeah, make sure I get that haircut and come back. Alright guys, so I'm back where I was, when I just came, the barber shop. I'm back here to get a haircut, to the barber shop here, barber and salon. And in so I got my subscribers. Choo choo. Mana. Oh, Sean? Yeah. Yes, the mobile. I got my general. Yes, the mobile, Baba. I want to leave with it. Yeah, that I find out. You got my general. Cool now.
Big boss, everything up and
yeah, up on the ground, man, Can I say must come get the haircut, so
yes.
Come check the mobile, boss.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Hey, we ready.
There's a gotta be here.
Gotta be here, see a beer.
Sitting at the gold chair. See, rich like Saddam now. Gotta be here. It's a Mansa Musa. Alright, so I did for the thing there. Saddam's son, right? Mansa Musa. Yes, boy. They're on the move, They're on the move. So you know what you can see as it is, isn't it? I say, babe, now it doesn't feel a little bit smooth. Because when I lie in them place, I just lie in a sand and stop.
Let's bring this low.
Yeah, it's going, but you cannot smooth it. You cannot smooth it. Gotta be. They never send TJ go on Cartel show. You know what?
Cartel must arrange that.
There's a twin fly out.
Christmas morning. Morris.
Yeah.
general, yeah, you know.
Yeah. Make them know sir yesterday for there, you know.
I tell you, man.
You know, far me I fly from for that one here.
Right, sir.
All the way from Jamaica.
See it there?
Just to come get a haircut. To the barber chair, yeah. And some someone feel rich. So I have to be here to feel a richness there, you know.
Right.
Sitting a wealth.
Alright. You know the one, yeah?
Yeah.
The Walkers Family TV.
Oh,
Understand me?
so see there. So big up the Walkers Family TV. You know, your boy speaking Keen Life in Jamaica, representing. You see me? Remember to subscribe and like and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you not trim a Walkers barber, something is wrong. You know, walk at all, you know, walk along. You see me? I say, so that's forward.
See it there?
You know, man. Yeah.
Don't know if we're ready. I'm trying to make sure it's gotta be.
Gotta be.
Gotta be.
Work the magic. Yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta be, you know. I want you to come from far. You gotta be. That is it, guys. I want to blow me out of the chair with that.
They blow at it.
They blow at it. Yeah. No, why?
This.
Why for that? Yeah, why for that? Yeah. You say sharp like Walkers. And a Walker crisp. A Walker's crisp. You know Walker crisp? Walker crisp. It's a crisp. You know, yes guys, look to them. So you see Walkers, Barbers, right here in Fort Lauderdale. See the team, yeah? See there?
Some of the team.
Some of the team.
Some of them drop off and leave, you know.
Oh. Until some of them drop off and leave, that's some of the team. There. So we but gotta be, we not see upon it.
No, you see, my mind, you can't see God, you know.
You say can't see God.
No, you that spirit.
Yo, for real. No, so gotta be, them says it's a spirit, right? Cause guys, in him gotta be.
But him did it.
In there when you can't see him.
Yeah, you know go see him.
Yeah, just run gotta be. General.
Easy.
Cool man.
Yeah, man, every time.
Well sharp like razor. Sharper than that, cut you out of your blazer. So when you say fully active,
Yeah.
where your channel name?
The Walkers Family. Yeah, man. But this is Walkers Exclusive Barbershop.
Yeah.
The YouTube channel, the Walkers Family TV.
Yeah.
I don't know, we are make sure so we put it out there. But we have a most of the stuff in the shop.
In the shop.
Big difference. We are come original like always.
Yeah.
To the black and white. That's how we do it. Classic. Every time. So just big up yourself, Kino.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Respect.
I know, so they, I know them say nothing nice like in a barber shop. You know, anybody business they want to just come in the barber shop. You know?
If you want a green card?
Yeah, if you want green card, you want
green card.
if you want green card, you want to know anybody business, just come in the barber shop.
I just check the mix up one day.
Yeah, man. I have everything there. I guess we have a top stylist over here, unruly stylist.
Really?
And that them say.
I'm not unruly.
Are you me say it, you know, so you have to correct me if I'm wrong, you know.
The colors. There's a black and white on Friday.
So you're an unruly stylist.
No.
You're what kind of stylist? You're what type of stylist? Let me know.
Just regular hairstylist to do the regular styling and everything. Wig.
Yeah.
Me are the transformer hairstylist. Me transform people. You know?
So you have a lot of robot here.
Yeah. Me transform the people.
Yeah.
Them come in one way and me let them go back looking one nice way, you know?
Oh.
Yeah. Flash it here and there.
Why me here never look three bad, me not make it come go and do damage, you know?
You know, can come back, man.
Yeah. There's a guy, so she next. So much all bad she with the styles and
Yeah,
go around.
come back, but I don't have the Instagram though.
You know Instagram?
No, I don't use it.
So nobody can follow you.
Old school.
Old school.
Old school hairdresser with new look wagwan.
So they say one of the new look artists.
Yeah, you have to call me
Simple
to
time.
get some look. She just want her regular style, but yeah man, I do the wigs, sewing, banding, everything you name it. Every style we out there where you feel like maybe try it or create it or as long as they
you name it.
Yeah.
You name it.
You name it.
You create it.
Yeah.
See there. I wanna neat. You can count the line them and just see it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well neat. Gotta be yeah man, know the thing go. You know. Gotta be my feet rich to the guys, you know, I'm just trimming at the gold barber chair, you know. Related to Munsa. Munsa. So yeah man, so alright. Why twin? You know the year I saw it go. Twin run down a yard one time we there right now with our brad.
Big Mark.
Oh, Big Mark. Yeah. Big Mark disappeared too. Yeah, if anybody run down and a cartel show them and come back in. Big Mark. A Big Mark this though. I this? Yeah. Big Mark. And see the twin from Seaview Garden. He's from Seaview, you know. Food friend. Twin. And Big Mark. Sample time. Run Ghana yard. And that. See there? I saw this though. Yeah. Walker Jr. Walker Jr. could like him really smile. Once in a while.
Yeah, the phone ringing on, you see a bright complexion coming in.
Okay. Yeah. Walker Jr.
I see the bright complexion, then he starts.
Yeah. Hold on. Alright, bro, you know the thing going on. You got yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
Alright, you know, gotta be here.
Yeah, man.
Don't know, say no.
Big blessing, you know.
Fire there, the devil away. Walker Jr. himself. General. What the name? Maurice. Seki. Kingston. You got yourself. Junglist, I say? Junglist. Some of the down the road, man. Rima. Jungle. A 3rd Street, man. The one link, man. See that, man? One junglist in the building. You know, General.
Yeah, man, it's working.
Yeah, I think that's cool, man. One Walkers.
Yeah, man. Like you know, every time you come in there, you know, you're team up on line.
Yeah.
You know.
See there?
Every time.
Meet and greet.
Yeah, I tell you what.
Up and running. And you know, so right, that's why we are doing a Fort Lauderdale Sunrise trip. Yeah, meet and greet. Let's say it there. One else, you know, yeah? Cool. She there. Yes, guys, so you know, I just don't get me hair cut. You know the thing, the walkers, barbers, you know, if you're local and close by, you can come and check them out. So, just tell me what you think, you know, how the new year cut look, how it stay, you know. So, my barber Jamaica don't feel no way, because you don't know, so we have barber yard and barber abroad. So, we have to support the barbers them abroad as well, too. Just like the barbers them a yard. We have to support the thing anywhere we go, you know. So, today at the mall, you know, kind of like that haircut, you know. So everybody have them unique way of trimming, of giving you a cut, you know. So that's how the thing go. So as you can see, this is the barber shop, barber and salon. So you know it's Walkers. So it's Walkers barber shop. So you know we have to represent same here because them always watching my program, you know. Giving the respect same way. So you don't know if you give back the support, you know, with the support you know, big up with the barber, gotta be here, you know. Him give me a nice clean shave, And him say, Kino, are you that? You know, I will give thanks. Gotta be, you know. So on this plaza, you know, you have okay, you have the Chinese them I do here and every, the nails. This is the nail shop and everything in here. You know, you have paint shop here. You know, so you have some lot of stuff out here. I have a liquor store over there and everything. So, yeah, man. Yeah. Is it seedless? Try.
You got seedless? Let me see. Seedless?
Yeah. Let's try it.
So I do juices.
Oh, you have juicer?
Yes.
Yes. So if you have juicer, you get the berries then.
Yes,
Guys, so you know when I'm with mommy's going to make sure Kina is alright.
Yes.
You know, so I'm getting well taken care of. So, you know, Mommy Shami is make sure so everything is sorted. She's getting the fruits, you know, to make the juice. She's going to make porridge. Oh, pure things are going to go on. So we have the blend. You know, Mommy Michelle are watching and I say, why Kino? Yeah, your mother charm me and no, Mommy. Yeah. Yeah, Mommy Michelle must have said, boy, Kino, yeah, your mommy, alright. Yeah.
I take care of you.
Sure. Mommy know how I go on, man.
These do very well with the juices.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do a lot of juices.
I do a lot of juices? Okay, that's good.
Yeah, we do a lot of juices.
That's what keeps it healthy.
Yeah, very healthy. Which one you like? We do the
salad?
Salad.
Anyone, probably salad, you know?
Yeah, I know. Once it's salad.
Yeah, right, guys. From once it's salad, it's salad. Right, what's so you use the apple for the green juice?
Because when you're doing juices, you know, you have to do green with green, you know?
Okay. Yeah, green with green. And red with red. Ginger. You see none? Oh, gee. Guys, I'm not even lying. Whenever I'm here, you know, I really get well taken care of. Like, you know, really mommy that take care of our own son. That's how I get treated whenever I'm around the Strawman and the Sunrise team. I'm not a good driver, don't worry. I don't got my license out yet. Yeah, yes, guys, trust me, I really get well taken care of. You know, so it's such a good thing, you know, when time, you know, people show you so much love. This is what drives me, you know, each like to continue to do what I'm doing, to realize that the love that I receive out there, you know. You didn't know you're getting love, like it's literally like a family love, you know. So wonderful. So that's why in life, guys, you have to do good, you know, and this is what you get, good shall return. Right.
Because I don't like purified water. No. I like spring water.
But yeah.
Yeah, this time of the night, maybe
Spring water is better water. Purified is what them use and sterilize it. Yeah.
You don't drink coffee, right?
No. No coffee for me. Oops. No coffee. Wait, so what kind of milk you use for the porridge?
I know you drink, I usually do coconut.
Yeah.
You drink coconut milk?
Yeah, coconut milk.
Coconut.
Original.
Do you drink tea?
Hot water, you do.
Just hot water?
Yeah.
You don't drink like ginger tea and stuff? Really?
I drink the hot water, the Chinese medicine.
Oh.
Guys, you know about the Chinese medicine, the hot water?
I drink the
That's what I drink mostly, like, yeah. Hot water, Persian.
yes. The ginger doesn't say
Ginger.
yeah.
Yeah. Well, I like the hot water itself, you know. Purge your system.
I do the ginger. And it cleanses me more.
Yeah. Yeah, that's also good as well, the ginger. But there's none in here, right?
No, ginger, no, I'll have to get tomorrow.
Okay.
You know, they're going to restock. If they're in week,
Yeah.
this is like a little stock supermarket.
Okay.
For tomorrow, they'll restock. But I just want to... Okay, y'all like... You eat ice cream? That's for joy.
So guys, remember to come on down. Remember tomorrow, you know, R&D Sports Pub, Sunset Strip, right? Sunset Strip, right? Yeah. So guys, so you can Google it, you know, if you don't know the address, it's R&D Sports Pub, you know. So it's from 2 till 5.
6521 Sunset Strip.
6521, right?
6531.
Oh yeah, 6531, so I did say it right.
Sunset Strip.
Yeah.
R&D Pub.
So 6531.
Yeah.
You know, R&D Sports Pub from 2 till 5. So, you know, it might,
No problem.
so you know, it might run a bit late, so you can still come on down, guys. So. You gotta play Aldi's.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, man. So guys, so stay tuned. Remember tomorrow, you know, so bless the love. If you reach this far, so far in the video, and you haven't liked the video, wow. Take a minute, like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, you know. Put the thumbs up if you haven't, you know, if you really like the program. And thank you so much for watching Keenan Live in Fort Lauderdale. Yes, you know I'm in Fort Lauderdale, not New York. I'm in Fort Lauderdale now. So it's Keenan Live in Fort Lauderdale. So just come on down tomorrow, you know, and don't be late. Stay late. Should have a box.
No, I have that.
Oh, yeah, box.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.